Need more visitors, leads, and customers. You want to truly automate your marketing. And that's not just posting a few times here and there on social media. It's using AI to actually generate, schedule, and post all of the content for you. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing marketing for the last 10 years, work with over 3,000 brands. Not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more and check it out here. But today's video number 2, where I'm going to break down 3 easy steps for you to follow to use AI to generate more content, to get it so it auto publishes, and then to actually get leads from it. And if you have any type of business, I want to encourage you, it's now or never. You need to create these AI marketing channels to automatically publish, or else your competitors are going to smoke you. All right, so in my videos, I share my screen just like this, and I show you the results of exactly what automating marketing does. I'm going to show you the exact weekly planner that we follow to make sure we get all of our content posted, and then the actual marketing engine that you can create to create one piece of content that goes out over 90 times. Now, if you want this exact system that I'm sharing today, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. All right, let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. All right, so if we take a look here, first thing is if you're going to be posting on social media, you need to be tracking it. And if you're just posting a few times a week, a few times a month, or maybe you're not even posting yet, it's easier than ever to sign up for a software, the marketing system that we use, whether it's another software out there. You could just ask ChatGPT or Google how to automate your marketing. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure you can connect all your social media channels in the settings to make it easy. And then once you connect them all, you need to start posting. And you can start by posting on your own. Then you can get a freelancer, and then you can get an employee, and then you can have AI basically do the posting for you. So tip number 1 is I always recommend start with a planner, because if you don't know what to post, when to post, or where to post, it usually just doesn't get done. So we have our relationship marketing planner here that we follow every single day. We know exactly what we need to post on Monday. We just go through and check it off. We know that we want to post reviews and testimonials on Tuesday. So we're going to go through and create all the content for this. And then we want to talk about something that we've helped a client with and a success story from a client. We want to talk about that. And each day of the week has a different theme. This just helps us stay organized. Now, once you decide what your theme days are, you can make these whatever you'd like. You can put it in an Excel file. You can use our software here, which you can get a free trial for down in the description below. But you need to have a plan for each day of the week. From there, you want to start posting consistently where and how you should post. And that's where I recommend trying to post all the different channels, but not on your own. Because once you connect them all, you can automatically post to every channel. So I'm going to go to publish here. And what you need to be able to do is choose, I'm going to post to X, I'm going to post to Facebook, I'm going to post to LinkedIn, and then how exactly am I going to post that? Now, what you want to do is actually go back and you need to start training your brand voice with AI. So what we do is we always create one piece of pillar content and share that throughout the whole week. So if you look here on Monday, I say that I need to find one main search term my ideal customer is searching for. And then I need to create a video just like this. And then it's going to create the audio. And then what that audio does is actually transcribes and create all of the content. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so this is actually video number 2 of our full video series, How to Automate My Marketing. So if you look here, the first video, How to Automate Your Marketing in 2026, is a breakdown of exactly what I'm showing you today. Now, the next video is this one right here. This is the next video. You can feel free to check out that playlist here if you want to go to the overview and then watch this series of 4, where I break down each one of these steps. What I know is I know my customers are looking for help to automate their marketing. So in the social signals, you can either use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, really any software you want. You can go to Google. And the goal is to actually find what your customers are searching for. So what I want to look for is, what are they actually asking Google, asking YouTube, asking ChatGPT, asking Reddit? These are all common questions that my ideal customers are actually looking for. So once you identify that question that your customer is searching for, that should be your one piece of content the chief marketing officer and or the freelancer needs to make that content around. You need to answer that question and educate and provide value. Now, once I create that content, maybe a long form video, I go and I place my YouTube video here. Or I can take my transcription and I can put it here, automate my. What you can do is use AI to go create content for all of the channels, internet. Now, what it's going to do is pull the transcription from your audio. Now, you can use the software. We use the software called Tela to record our videos, and you can make it different layouts. You can get instant closed captions. I'll actually post my affiliate link down below if you want to save and get a free trial. And it lets me copy this transcription and the exact words I said in the video. That's what's going to go and create all this content. You can see it pulled from the video, generated, gives me an AI summary. This is what actually shows up in searches. And then what it's going to do is create all of my posts. So now here's my link to my Twitter post, Facebook, Google My Business directory. It even can create your blog. So you start getting higher rankings online. FAQs, it's going to show you other frequently asked questions your customers ask. Email, it's going to give you an email that you can actually write and follow up to stay top of mind. So that's the first tip. Find what the ideal search term is your customers are asking in all of these channels. Create one piece of video to pull the transcription from, and then you can actually use AI to create all of the content. And that's the next step, is you need to go and start auto-publishing this content. You can have your marketing person do it, but now these are all words that I said. you need to post content around words that you said here. And that's where you can go to the planner and you can start scheduling these out daily, weekly, a month in advance on all the different channels that you use. Next thing you need to do is create a brand voice. So you don't have to rewrite these. It actually understands who you are. So what you can do is take your transcription from whatever software you decide to use. You want to copy that and you want to go to whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, or our software, and you can go start training it and saying, hey, this is exactly what I sound like. You want to make sure you put things like no M dashes. You can add humor, some personality. You can be content, story driven, some things not to say, not to do. You want to tell it who you want to sound like. So go research some expert copywriters. Some of my favorites here are Harry Dry, Dan Kennedy, Gary Halbert. These are expert copywriters that you can actually go check off. So then all of your posts do not sound salesy, but they sound persuasive and educational and helpful. And then what you need to do is actually make sure that your AI will start doing it for you. So every day when I log in, I get my weekly search term. I know exactly what my videos should be made about. The transcription automatically get pushed into the software, and then it starts creating content around exactly the word I say. And then what you can do is once you start getting these published and auto-published, you're going to start seeing other FAQs, other common questions your ideal customers ask, and that can be your content for next week. So what I encourage you to do is make that one killer piece of content and then use that to generate content for all of your other channels, and then take any comments, any DMs, any questions you get on that content to help you record more videos and make the next content for you later on, maybe a week later or a month later, whenever you can. Goal is to start tracking it. You want to see exactly which posts get the highest engagement, which one brings in the most followers, and most that get me comments or DMs. That's usually my best ranking content. So then I go and create similar content, just that. And then your end goal is to have a dashboard that looks like this. So you can go and see all the posts, all of the channels that you and your team and AI has actually posted for you. So I can go back and I can look at every single day from today to the past and look at all of the content we've ever posted. I can go look at all of my stats, but then I can also go and look at all of my future content that's actually ready to go in my calendar. So the goal is to have all of this published so you can track it and then schedule it out so you can see and be planning ahead. So you're always one step ahead. And then make sure you're using AI so it learns your brand, it learns your voice, take that one piece of content for you, and actually can generate copywriting, imagery, and text to auto-publish for you. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value. And like I mentioned, if you want to watch the rest of the videos about how to truly automate your marketing, you can check out this playlist here. And if this video did bring you value, it'd be great if you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. And tell me more about you and your business down in the comments so I can follow and support you back. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you